Hello and welcome to SEO Science. How can your small business effectively compete against larger brands and establish businesses in Google search results? Begin with this SEO checklist tailored for small to medium-sized enterprises. In part 1, we covered understanding your customers' problems. Now let's get into fix your technical SEO issues. While your small business website may boast visually appealing graphics, colors and fonts on the surface, it's essential to address any underlying technical issues. Neglecting these problems could have adverse effects on your search engine rankings and website traffic. Before launching into content creation or link building campaigns, it is crucial to invest time in rectifying the foundation of your website. A solid website structure is necessary to ensure that search engines can effectively crawl and index your web pages, ultimately enhancing your online visibility and organic search performance. Some of the most common technical SEO problems have to do with the following: speed, duplicate content, broken links, improper use of canonical link elements. That was just step 2 of 11 steps you need to take to improve your SEO game for your small business. Keep your eyes peeled for part 3. If you like what you've seen and heard in this video, give it the old thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more essential tips and advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.